A bright rainbow stretches across a glowing world filled with shapes and numbers. In this land, rivers sparkle with number bubbles, trees grow in triangles and circles, and clouds float by in the shape of plus signs. Welcome to Numberland, where numbers dance, shapes sing, and every problem has a fun solution. The Broken Bridge. Sienna and Joey bounce along a golden pathway when they reach a glittering bridge that's cracked right down the middle. Joey, worried. Crikey, the bridge is broken. How will we get to Rainbow Castle now? Professor Wattle, fluttering down. Ah, don't fret, my friends. The math magic bridge can only be repaired with the power of numbers and teamwork. The air shimmers and glowing numbers rise from the water. 3, 5, 7, 10. Professor Wattle, each number holds a riddle. Solve them, and the bridge will rebuild itself. If I have 2 mates and make 1 more, how many mates do I have in store? Sienna, thinking, easy. 2 plus 1 gear 3. The first bridge piece rises and clicks into place. Joey, hopping in excitement. Too easy, let's keep going. Professor Wattle, excellent. When you use your brain and your heart together, the magic of math grows stronger. The trickster Zero. A swirl of wind blows through the eucalyptus trees, and suddenly Zero appears, wearing a magician's hat and a cheeky grin. Zero, grinning. You think you can cross without me? I might look like nothing, but I'm everything in disguise. He waves his wand. Poof, and all the other numbers scatter like gum leaves in the wind. Wait, if I add 0 to any number, it stays the same. 0 keeps everything balanced. Professor Wattle. Spot on, Sienna. You've uncovered Zero's hidden power. The bridge glows brighter as another golden piece locks in. The pattern pathway. To reach the last piece, they must cross a line of stepping stones showing a number pattern. 2, 4, 6. Joey, counting his hops. 2, 4, 6. Oh, it's going up by 2 each time. Next is 8, then 10. He hops from stone to stone, boing, boing, and each one lights up with sparkles like fireworks over Sydney Harbor. Sienna, patterns make numbers dance. Exactly. Math is full of rhythm, just like the waves on the coast. The bridge restored. The final piece slides into place with a bright flash. The golden bridge shines from end to end, sparkling under the sun. Sienna. We did it, using math and teamwork. Joey. And a few lucky hops. Professor Wattle. Remember, mates, every problem is just a puzzle waiting for a clever thinker like you to solve it. Upbeat music plays as they cross the glowing bridge toward Rainbow Castle, where shapes and numbers twirl in a joyful celebration. Moral of the story: math is magical when you think, work together, and never give up. Numbers aren't scary. They're the keys to creativity, courage, and fun. Learning themes, basic addition and number patterns, understanding 0, problem solving, and teamwork. Confidence in math and learning. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Bye.